Yes, oo. Kasi they all, parang mas marami ang nagkaroon ng courage to dance. Mas marami ang hindi na nahihiya. Kayo, tanong ko kayo, you think kung in-invite kayo 2 years ago, gagawin niyo ba ito? Hindi, diba? Kasi nakita niyo sa TikTok, ay kaya niya. Kaya ko yan. Yan. So, yun yung naibigay ng TikTok, right?
So, pandemic helped you?
Pandemic helped us. I'd say, yeah, because a lot of people embrace the movement. Yeah.
May mga labas tulad sa summer project, sa dance part ng ING?
Yes, marami sila. Ang pinaka Teacher George, Teacher Micah. Yan. Teacher Micah was a student from our Shangri-La. EDSA Shangri-La, yes, the dentist. The EDSA Shangri-La workshop, wala pa kaming sariling dance center noon. 2011, when we had a partnership with EDSA Shangri-La Hotel, and Teacher Micah was a student there, Teacher George was a student there. So if I have given them that opportunity, why can't I give that to the new ones? The ones you saw earlier, Masa, Dorlane, Sadie, and RC, they are all being trained to teach. In fact, they're offering classes already. We have, kumbaga, meron na sila mga hawak na classes also.
Sila yung sila yung hindi pinapawisan. Yung tayo, diba?
Tagak-palaw
nangyayari sa kanila. Parang part pa yun ng
requirements. Oo, siguro part yun ng pagiging G-Force, no? Kasi, di ba pag bago sa inyo, nag-grad talaga yung kami rin naman, pumasok kami sa mundo nyo na nag-vlog. Effort yan sa amin because it's not automatic for us. So, pag pumasok kami sa mundo nyo, malamang ganun din yung pawis namin. Pero kasi ito, they've been doing it na eh. Kumbaga nasa vocabulary na ng katawan nila yan.
Pero when the fitness, nakikilang sa fitness strategy.
Fitness? Meron
Fitness, diet.
Oh yes, oo. Kasi the costumes will not adjust to their bodies. Oo. They have to they have to be fit. At saka more than the look, they have to be able to have that endurance para and stamina para magawa nila ng tama yung work. Yeah.
Teach, what do you think of the notion that I don't know if it's a misconception that dancing or the careers of dancers hindi pareho ng longevity ng singer because there's a physicality involved in dancing. Like Madonna is being bashed for her age. So why are you still dancing at your age? Gary, something, it's because he is a sing and dance act. Kaya he's, I don't know if the term is retiring, at least retiring from performing in big venues. What do you think of that?
Well, there's truth in that because science na yun and gravity. So, even I experienced that. That's why here at G-Force Dance Center, here in G-Force, we treat talaga that dance career, and here at G-Force, it's more than just dance. More than just dance for the students. I have given you already what's the concept of more than just dance. For the G-Force, it's more than just dance, meaning it's more than just performing. So when you come here, you will be trained to be a performer, and you will be trained to be a dance teacher, and you will be trained to be a choreographer. After that, you will also be trained to be a director, an artistic director here. So, like me, I cannot do the dance of my kids. I am 40 plus. Nahirapan ako
So we'll edit that.
Like last year, I'll be honest with you, last year I felt the change in my body. So, the recovery is different na. Hindi katulad nung dati na may sasakit pero ang bilis. Ngayon, may sasakit, masakit pa rin. Natulog ka naman. Bakit masakit pa rin? So, ibang-iba na siya talaga ngayon. So, it's also how we take care of our body to have that, yung sinasabi mo, ang longevity. That's why, here sa G-Force, ang entry talaga dito is 18 to 25. no? 25 to 35, dyan ka talaga nagmamature as a performer and as an artist. But 35 and up, you have to be really prepared na. When to step back.
Meron ka bang student na 35 pataas?
How old yung
Na excellent?
Meron. Oo, meron. Pag excellent talaga, pwede nang jump into performance or dance teacher.
How old po
Pwede.
yung pinaka-matanda na nag-enroll?
Na nag-enroll? Meron kami ngayon, nag-open kami ng class exclusive or for them. Kasi, ang hatak kasi ng G-Force talaga nasa mga Gen Z eh. Oo, so may mga kaedad natin, papasok, no? Gusto lang sumayaw. We create a safe space. Hindi nyo mafe-feel na talagang tinitingnan kayo ng mga bata, ay, ba't ko siya kasabay? Pero, siya mismo yung nakaka-feel ng, ba't ako nandito? So, because of that, we created na lang adult classes, especially for them. For 35 and up or 21 up. Teacher Sherwin, your classes, 21 up. Teacher Sherwin handles adult classes, adult beginners hip-hop, and also contemporary 18 up. So, yan yon. Para walang mga 8 years old nakasabay niyo. Tapos kasabay niyo mas magaling pa sa inyo. Diba? Nakakasira ng ego.
So there's no way around it, aging and dancing. Sabi mo na nga talagang it happens.
Pero,
Life
no,
happens
but
to you.
If you take care of yourself, walang problema. I can still dance, but there's acceptance na hindi ko na kaya yung ginagawa ko before.
So when
And I can still
Okay.
dance.
I'm thinking na maybe if you had started earlier, you can still prolong
You mean
your
earlier in
stamina.
strengthening?
Oo.
Yeah, of course. That's why now I've been doing
So it's better to
therapy.
start early.
Oo.
As-
Dapat by 35 pa lang, nagbubuhat na tayo, in-build na natin yung muscles natin. Yan.
And what do you think of classes na ino-offer na for a certain song lang na nag-trend? I ask that kasi minsan iniisip ko when I see them, pinag-warm up ba sila? Or do they know na pag ganyang movement, if you're not properly trained, it could hurt you? May
Yes.
ganun ba? May ganun ba?
Oo. Importante talaga mag-warm up before doing choreographies. And the warm-up is designed depende sa movements na ibibigay sa inyo. Kasi like, if you guys will dance jazz pop, of course, the warm-up will be longer. And it's more intense.
Kasi sometimes you don't notice it when you're young, salang lang agad eh. But
Yes.
in the long
Kaya,
run,
if you notice our floor, I'm very big on this eh. Kailangan talaga strong floor para masuportahan yung lower back and knees. Kaya, importante, we're very big on our floor.
So,
Even the upcoming branches, kailangan sprung floor talaga. Kasi, hindi pwedeng semento.
so do you frown on that or you favor that or wala lang? Yung bang people just
Particular
going to a class all of a sudden just because of a trend and then they don't know they might be hurting
But, you
themselves?
know,
Ganun ba yun?
Sometimes you can't avoid that eh. They just wanna dance. Like people who,
They just
yung
wanna
mga
have fun.
sumasayaw sa streets, diba? Kaya nga siya street dance eh. They can't really demand for good facilities like this. Kaya naman, since nandito kami, we provide the facilities for that.
That's the difference.
But, you know, I cannot like say na, huy, wag niyo gawin yan because saan sila sasayaw? Diba? Say, okay dito.
Is there a TikTok trend that made you think, uy, iba yun na o mahirap yun in terms of dance? Meron ka bang dance na sumikat sa TikTok na nakita mo na, uy, iba yun or ang hirap mo?
Wala.
Of course! Good answer. I expected that answer
No,
actually.
just kidding. Hindi kasi pag nakikita ko yung mga anak ko, lalo na to si Jaja, ang dami ko na nakapila. Ja, I wanna learn this. Ja, I also want to learn this. And then BJ, your collab, I wanna learn this. Siya talaga, oo. Pero, bagal na bagal sila sa akin. Kaya yung pacing ng learning ng steps,
No way!
ang bilis
Talaga?
nila. Oo, iba na. So, I need like more hours for that.
Speaking of that, kasi you have made a lot of signature moves popular.
Yeah.
No?
Thank
Kasi pag songwriting, sinusulat, paano pag choreography, do you write
As do I write it?
Take videos
She writes it in her brain.
or muscle memory?
Well, kasi iba na rin yung process. Over the years. Iba na. Right now kasi, before it's always, you know, when I choreograph, it's always by feel, no? By feel. And then, thanks to all the phone cameras, that I get to record myself and then study it at home, and then you check, visually effective ba siya? Masarap siyang sayawin, pero masarap ba siyang panoorin? Is it visually effective? So, buti na lang may cellphone na. Imagine mo dati, paulit-ulit na yung dancers ko. Kasi na ako happy sa movement. So, pagod talaga lahat. So, kumbaga, it's a...
May playback.
Yes, may playback. So, meron kaming na-document na. Before kasi, it's just all here and also muscle memory. So, again, this is how we use the technology. And I'm very happy, diba?
Medyo nasinta ba dun sa pagkakang bago ituturo ng mga teachers yung choreography? May touch ba or siniset yun?
When it is handed to a celebrity, especially if it's going to be a song of their own. Yes, that is our process. They submit, it's like an audition. Ang pinakahuli namin ginawa is Sugal by Maha. That's early this year. So, 3 choreographers submitted, and then from there, it's like an audition, checking work, and then may pumasa ba, and then when I need to hands-on, I will really hands-on. For that one, nag-hands-on ako.
So, paano ba yan?
Ganyan pa rin eh.
When you have that written project.
Yeah. So, di ba kanina nahirapan akong sumagot sa'yo because, you know, we have the management to take care of that. Kaya tinatawag ko sila, hey, can you help me with this? Tapos magbabasa lang ako because we have a management who will take care of that. We have a finance team for that.
Teacher, kasi parang pag sinabi mo G-Force, talagang sikat kayo ng ma-handle ng mga celebrity na parang biglang, ang galing sumayaw. Sarah G, Kim.
Ang pinakahuli yung na nag-hands-on ako. Niana's debut. Yeah. So, I haven't done it for a long time. I mean, after Sugal, I did Niana's debut. Interesting kasi, Gen Z, parang anak ko na kasi nga best friend ni BJ. So, and then she danced a different, you know, style. And I really enjoy the process because I was working with the Gen Zs. You know, the youthfulness is there. Yeah, so masaya yung proseso, and I'm very happy with the outcome, and a lot of people enjoyed the Niana's debut. Yeah.
Yeah, if you can share, teacher, ito bang mga celebrity na to, yung mga nabanggit ka? Like, before na-touch sila ng G-Force, talaga bang ganun na sila kagaling sumayaw? Or talagang meron ding mga, if you can share, mga stories behind kung kanilang biglang ganun?
Yeah. Most of the artists, they need to dance in ASAP to promote their movies, to promote but there are some artists na talagang nilalagay for dancing. They have natural moves. My work is to bring out the best in them, extract what is natural movements for them, and create something that is designed for them. I will not hand them my movements para pilitin sa kanila. No, I don't. That's not our style. Our style is really to bring out the best in every artist.
Find the brand.
Yes.
And if you're going to look back, parang who among those celebrities na parang nagmarka sa'yo when it comes to dancing nung tinuturuan niyo po?
Marami.
Top 3.
Oo. Top 3, ayan tayo ha.
Yun ang
Worst or best ba yan?
iniiwasan.
Yung bang 5 best dancer or worst?
Na-maximize yung potential.
Ibang-iba na kasi ngayon, alam mo, G-Force ang nag-handle na sa ASAP ngayon. This is a totally different generation. And imagine mo, mga anak ko na si Jaja na yung choreographer. So, anak ko na. So, ibang-iba na talaga yung generation. Right? Next question.
How do you pick songs? How do you... Ikaw muna.
You mentioned about the upcoming branches.
Yes.
Can you please share more about it? And kunyari may nag-open a branch, do you offer promo para mas marami? Para mas marami
Yes.
mag-enroll?
So we have actually we have a partnership now in BGC. You guys can go there and check our Instagram account, and also we are launching a new brand in BGC. We will invite you soon for that because it's not going to be GeForce Dance Center. It's going to be another brand.
Very excited. Mars.
How do you pick songs? Or do you know instantly if a song will become a dance?
Become a hit?
Oo. Especially when you dance to it.
No, you just have to create and create and create. And sometimes it's really there's a good song, good movements, good choreography, good lyrics, at the right mood of what's going on right now. Doon siya magiging. Yeah.
Kabaliktaran naman, do you sometimes say sa ASAP na this isn't going to work, kulang ang beat, I'm not feel you can't feel it as a dancer?
I'll give you an example. I created Tala when it was 2015. Old studio pa yon, Cares. Doon pa yun sa Mother Ignacia. 2015. The song was mid-tempo. When we did it for a concert, 2018, I had to collaborate with the arranger and made it more, mas mabigat, mas may suntok, mas heavy on beats for live performance. It's really important that you create music for live performance. What you hear on Spotify, what you see on YouTube are good for listening at home. But when it's a live concert, it has to be a different attack. So that year, 2018, we made sure that it will be a different presentation for Araneta Coliseum. It worked because I also pushed for the boundaries of the artists, made it sexier. Then it became a hit on that year. Then a lot of people were fascinated and amused about that performance. They started learning the dance. Then it became, globally recognized because of that performance.
May timing din.
Right timing, the right place, the right sound, the right tweaking, and also the one that will execute that dapat handa rin.
I remember there's this palitan online na Pantropico daw is not an instant viral hit kasi it was released in November but it only became a hit in February. Have you seen the choreography?
Hindi pa, but I heard about it, oo.
I see.
November, December, January, Feb, naging hit. Galing kasi 3 months
Three
na.
months.
Oo. Imagine that, 2015, 16, 17, 18. 3 years.
Pero how do
It's
you,
really different.
how do you copyright the dance moves, teacher? Ganun ba?
Ayan tayo.
Oo nga.
Pero may
Yes,
ganun.
yes, there
Para,
is.
kasi di ba pag sinasabi nila, GeForce yan, tatak GeForce yan. So hindi pwedeng magamit. So parang, how do you
Pwede
do
naman
that?
gamitin. Pwede siyang gamitin.
Permission.
Yes.
Okay,
There is a right process for that, like anything that you want to use that has, it's a property. It's just kumbaga we're just going through a process, a procedure, no? Of course you can use it.
May bilang din, like sa song, ika-fourth bar, kung kaparehong-pareho, pwede ka na i-copyright sa dance.
Yes.
May bilang.
Interesting.
Ay, napahabain ko ba itong conversation?
Marami nag-dream dancers who dream of dancing with you. Ikaw, sino yung na-imagine mo? Okay, if only I can share the stage
Oh,
with certain right international dream mo.
oo. If ako ba yan? Kung ako yung dream? Gosh, wala akong maisip ngayon. Oo.
The younger generation.
Sa younger
International.
generation. Yung mga anak ko hanggang ngayon, hinahabol ko pa yung sayaw nila. Oo. Yeah, international. I've always been attracted to Madonna kasi. Yeah, of course Michael Jackson is there, Janet Jackson is there. The choreographer of Janet Jackson. I remember when I was starting, there's Paula Abdul, but people used to call me Tina Landon. Yeah, so Tina Landon is one inspiration. She's the choreographer of Janet Jackson.
Please invite everyone.
Yep, please invite everyone.
Oh yes. Hello po sa lahat ng mga ka-vlog natin. Hello, I am Teacher Jercel and I am inviting you guys to be part of our G-Force Project 2024. This year, we are turning 19. Samahan niyo po kami. Be part of this experience. We are going to give you more than just dance. If you have been with us and did G-Force Project already, come back, have the same experience, invite your friends and experience it with your friends. And if you have not done this yet, come here because you will discover a lot, not just about the project, but a lot about yourself. So please, you just have to check our social media accounts. We are all over social media, G-Force Official, in Instagram. Teacher Sherwin, would you like to help me here? At GDCQC, those are at GDCQC, at GDC the 4th, BGC at GDC Alabang. Those are the Instagram accounts. Also, G-Force Official. Nandyan din yan sa Instagram. And of course, our the website and YouTube channel, also TikTok, nandyan din kami. So please, magsama-sama tayo. Mangyayari to sa June. Sayo tayong lahat. Okay, invite all your friends, your families. Yes. Ano bang link? Ano? What's the ano? Oo nga eh. Yeah.